Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can follow all of your friends on Instagram on Threads. So if you didn't actually know, this is Meta / Instagram's new app, and it's basically a competition for Twitter. And the way it works is it's connected with Instagram. So there is actually a way that you can follow all of your Instagram friends on Threads, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that now. So to start with, you want to go to the bottom right corner and select your profile. Now from here you can see your profile, and you can also see the amount of followers you have. So if you want to follow all of your Instagram friends, what you want to do is you want to click on that followers. Now it brings up this tab, and as you see in the middle, there is one called following. So if you click on that, it does give the option to see all the people that you're following on Instagram that you're not yet following on Threads. So if you click on that, it will show you people that you will follow on Instagram. But a really good feature of this is there is actually a follow all button. So you can go ahead and click that and follow every single friend you already follow on Instagram. So that it's nice and easy and it links everything together seamlessly. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it helped and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.